On October 12th, TCL Huaxing announced that on September 27th, TCL Huaxing launched the world's first 17-inch IGZO inkjet printing OLED folding display at the Striving for a New Era themed achievement exhibition. It is reported that this product is jointly developed by TCL Huaxing and Guangdong Zhuhua Printing and Display Technology Co., Ltd. It adopts self-luminous inkjet printing OLED technology, which is bright and vivid, combined with NUOX IDE compensation circuit technology, and is compatible with notebook, pad and monitor. TCL Huaxing has strengthened the design of the folding screen and selected the module materials, so that the folding radius of the folding screen can reach 35 mm. The dynamic bending life is up to 100 to 100,000 times, and it can be used for at least 5 years even if it is opened and closed 100 times a day. In addition, the screen supports the Smart Split Screen function, which enables multi-tasks to work together with the interface. One screen can be displayed as a notebook, and the other screen can be used as a display keyboard or note-taking.